putting on enough to go on both sides. And let it marinate until we're ready to cook, which will probably be about 2.5 hours. We'll go outside and go on the grill and cook.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go. Go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when you sharp, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.
So now I am up to my 3rd glass of wine, and I'm gonna make some drunken potato salad. So we gonna start with this Kroger Real Mayo, but it has cage-free eggs. So we gonna put some mayonnaise. We done put some mayonnaise. We done put some mayonnaise. Pepper. Buy some mustard. Now I normally use yellow mustard for my pasta salad and my potato salad, but I'm at someone else's house and this is what they got. And we're gonna put some pink sea salt. Now, I would normally use Lori seasoned salt and not pink sea salt, but we ain't got no Lori's. Next, we're gonna use a little garlic powder. That's enough. Next, we're gonna use a little onion powder. We're gonna put this, see this? I chopped this up. Y'all saw me start chopping it up. It's celery and onion. Then we're gonna do some of this relish. That just flew in there.
Scoop it out with a spoon.
Scoop it out with a spoon. Alright, so next we're gonna put some red wine vinegar. These things from Kroger's are weird because they don't really screw all the way on. Huh?
That's why you should be careful, I'm saying.
Alright, so we're gonna mix this up. Oh, let me put a little paprika in there. Regular paprika. It says Spanish paprika. That's probably why it's brown. I know. But you don't want smoky potatoes out.
I like it smoky.
I like it smoky too.
I think I'm gonna use a little bit of this just cause I'm gonna use a little smoked paprika. Then I have to cut up the eggs to put it in. Put the eggs in. So here's the eggs. Do you have all the liquor? You made the pina colada? So should I send this with you or put it in the refrigerator? It's cold. It's cold.
It's not.
What?
It's not cold yet. I know it's not.
Angie,
Put it in the
say
fridge.
it
Just
was
bring it
cold.
with you. If not, then we'll come out and get it.
Alright. For somebody who can't fight, you talk a lot of shit.
How funny is that? Because I feel like that's you.
I can fight though.
Where's the cord to this?
In the thing that I opened it with,
What thing that you opened it?
the wine opener.
It wasn't in there. This is the wine opener.
I didn't take the cork out, Angie.
You forgetting. That's all. It's okay.
Angie, I never took the cork out the wine
So who
opener.
else did I didn't
I didn't either.
Ma, it's only you and I here. So.
I didn't take it out. Isn't that cute? You don't use Lori season salt or they don't sell it here?
They sell it out.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. This is what you saw me making today.
We didn't cook those yet though.
Look at that. Real Texas style. You feel me? Houston Hottie over here.
This is the grill master right here.
I've been here for 6 months.
And this is the eater. He's the eater.
Let's get it
Baby,
done.
where's the other
Oh, I
plate?
need some mayo. No mayo?
Did you bring that?
You know I said that, didn't I say that? I was like, I wouldn't mind having mayo on these burgers.
I don't really like mayo. That's probably why you didn't bring it. That's all good.
Mom, you want a burger, right?
So we doing the sugar-free, quote-unquote, ketchup.
We're having a cookout in Houston. In Houston, baby.